Hello viewers, this is Simil, the Wizard Guy. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete folders and files from our computer. So here on my desktop, I have some files, as you can see. I have these files here, and then I have this folder here, of which I'm going to open, and you see the folders and the files which are in that folder. So I have the files and I have some of the folders here, of which I'm going to delete from my computer. Of course, I don't need them. So I'm going to delete these folders and then files. Okay. Now, when you are deleting files, the first thing is to select. After selecting, then you can right-click on your mouse where you have selected, and then you choose an option for delete. Then the other method is to press your delete key on your keyboard. When you check on your keyboard, we have the delete key there on the keyboard. So you just press the delete key and then your files or folders will be deleted automatically. Okay, so let's get started. We've said you come and select the files I've selected, and then you right-click, and then you choose what? Delete. Click, delete. So when you delete, your files will automatically be deleted. How about this one? So let me select this. After selecting, you right-click in the selected file. Then you say what? Delete. So when you delete, they automatically disappear. So that is if you are deleting files on your desktop. How about if you are deleting files from folders? So here I have a folder here. I'm going to open this folder. It is open. So I'm going to delete these files which are inside my folder. I don't need them, so they are wasting space in my computer. So the only way to avoid them is by deleting. So we have said you select. I've selected the files. Then we said you press delete key on your keyboard. Check your keyboard, there's delete key. When you press, the files will disappear. So I'm going to delete also these folders. So when you select, you right click, you see what? Delete somewhere there. Then you do what? Delete. So you can see my folder is empty. There are no files there. So I can add more files if I want. So I can as well delete the whole folder which had the files. So I'm going to select and then I right click. I say what? Delete. So you can see I've deleted all the files that were here and the folder that was here, which was having the junk files that I don't need in my computer. Okay, so that's how I delete files from your system. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. May God bless you.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of